Guys, and welcome to my channel, Sierra Styles. Today we are going to be doing some Halloween cat makeup. This is a super quick and easy look that almost anyone can do, and if you need a last minute costume, this is perfect. It is just so easy to be a cat for Halloween. You basically just need some ears and a black outfit and basic makeup. I am going to start today by just doing a black cat makeup, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to add some sparkle to it to kind of show you two different ways on how you can do this. And the best part is you're only going to need a few products to create this look. We are going to start out by bronzing the nose and just kind of contouring it, but a little bit more than you normally would. Today I'm going to be using a e.l.f. bronzer. For some reason I can't really find like a name on this or anything, but it's in number 83095. I don't know if that's helpful. And then I'm just taking just a little fluffy brush. You can use any brush you would like. This one is just like a knockoff Amazon Morphe brush. And then I'm just going to contour down the nose pretty much in the same way you normally would, but just a little bit darker. The tip of the nose is not going to matter too much because we're going to be covering that up with black. And I will say the last time I did this look, I did not have a nose ring, so it's going to be really interesting today to try to paint around that. Now that we have that contour, we're just going to go in with some black eyeliner. I'm going to use just the e.l.f. liquid liner today. Super cheap and easy, you can find it at a lot of places. And we're just going to make a little line right at the tip of the nose. I'm going to start filling it in a little bit. It's really not going to be that big of a nose. Most of it's going to kind of be like the underneath area. So you want to fill that in. Okay, now we look like a little deer. And you're just going to add a little bit onto the nostril, but not a lot. You just kind of want to look straight forward at yourself. It will help you make sure everything's even. You are going to be kind of like painting around and in the nostril, which is like a little weird, but I promise you it's going to make it look better. Not recommended if you have a cold. You're not going to be able to blow your nose all night, so keep that in mind. All right, let's try to go around this nose ring. This is going to be a little tricky. It's a little unsanitary. Maybe just use it for this one time or just for Halloween face stuff. You know, these eyeliners are only a few dollars, so it's not the end of the world. Now that we have the nose done, we're just going to connect the nose to the lip with a little line in between. Just make it as center as you can, and then what I like to do is do kind of like a little Y at the top. So where everything's connecting, it's going to be a little weird angle, but where everything's connecting up here, I'm just going to kind of color that in. Okay, and we're connected down to the lip. And all we're gonna do for the top lip, and you can use a few different products of this. You can continue with the eyeliner, which does work pretty well throughout the night while you're drinking and eating. You can use any type of black lip wear. The longer it lasts, the better. So anything that's gonna be long lasting and keep its shape, that's what you're gonna wanna use. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go in with the eyeliner. I am gonna go in with just a little bit of black lipstick. This is just like a Halloween one. The brand is Wet n Wild, so just like a cheap, you know, black lipstick. I don't think this is really like a long lasting one, but I'm not going out tonight. So just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna be using a black lipstick. You should use one that is long lasting. Okay, so we're gonna go into the lip area, and you can basically just trace your own lip pattern. You can change it if you want. It's gonna be all black, so you can kind of play around with this a little bit and no one's really gonna know. As you can see, my lips are pretty naturally pointy, so I will probably round them out just a little bit. Sorry, I didn't realize I was out of the camera. Okay, now that we have the nose and the lip done, we're just gonna add the little dots that go up here and some whiskers, and then that's gonna be the look. So typically people do 3 dots on each side. You can do a couple more, it doesn't really matter. Just look up a few photos, see what you like the most, and go for it. All right, I decided to go with a few on each side today, and we're just going to add the whiskers. The whiskers you just got to be confident with. It's just one of those things that it's like it's easier to get a straight line if you just go for it than if you're like really thinking about it. It's a harder side for me because my hand. I'm just gonna clean this up a touch. You can go through and perfect them a little bit. And just like that, we have whiskers. So this is just a fun, easy, quick look. You really just need some black eyeliner. Like, unless you want to use a specific black, long-lasting lip wear, you really just need black eyeliner. So it can't get much easier than that. Obviously, with the eye area, you can spruce it up a bit. Oh, and I forgot the bronzer, but honestly, you can live without that too. And then for the eye area, I just did like a little cat eyeliner, just some, you know, very neutral shadow. You can definitely get away with just doing mascara on the top. You can take this look as basic or as crazy as you really want it to be. But now that we have this look, I'm going to show you the sparkly cat look that I like to do. And all you're going to need for that is some liquid glitter. Today I am using the NYX Glitter Goals in Polished. And it's just kind of like a liquid shadow. It's in like this nice, beautiful, like champagne color. And we're just going to apply that in the eyeshadow area and then the lip area. You're gonna wanna let that dry. All right, guys, so here we have the glitter cat look, which I just think is so fun. Like, you literally just add glitter, liquid eyeshadow, and it just brings this up to a completely whole nother level. You can do different glitters. I could see this with silver, some maybe lighter colors, maybe experiment with some darker color glitters, but I love this champagne look. It's just so cute and glamorous, and it just brings it to the next level if you're not just trying to be every other cat at the Halloween party. But thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Make sure to check out my other Halloween makeup videos. I just put one up on a pumpkin look the other day, so be sure to check that out. And let me know down below what else you guys would like to see. I love Halloween, so this was really fun. But I hope this was helpful to you guys, and have a great rest of your day. Bye!